Here is today's question. When you're ready, pause the video and give it a go. Okay, so it's another area question today. This time it's a trapezium. A trapezium is a four-sided shape where two lines are parallel. Normally they'd mark on that they were parallel, but they didn't need to in this question because they told you straight away it was a trapezium. Find the area of the garden. So this trapezium is the garden. Area is the space taken up. So this has very important practical uses in real life. The formula you'll be given if you ever look in a book for the area of trapezium is a half A plus B times H. And I think this is quite difficult to remember. A and B are your parallel sides. H is the height between them. So I've got a little song and it goes to the tune of Pop Goes the Weasel. It's half the sum of the parallel sides times the height between them. That is how you calculate the area of a trapezium. Sing it to yourself a few times. A half the sum of the parallel sides times the height between them. That is how you calculate the area of a trapezium. You'll feel daft. I feel daft, but you'll feel daft, but sing it a few times, it'll soon sink in. So I want the area, I want the space taken up by this four-sided shape, this trapezium. It's a half the sum of the parallel sides, half the sum of the parallel sides, times the height between them. That is how we calculate the area of a trapezium. Sometimes, although this will get you a mark in the exam, sometimes it's easier to do it as you go along. So half the sum of the parallel sides, I need to sum the parallel sides. 10 add 5 is 15. But I want to half the sum of the parallel sides. To half 15, I divide by 2 times the height between them. That is how we calculate the area of a trapezium. I told you feel daft. 15 divided by 2, 7.5 times 7, which gives me 52.5. Units, it's got units. Area is a space. It's the space taken up by a shape. It's meters in the question. It's meters in the answer. I have to square my units for area. It tells the reader that this is an area. This space is 52.5 meters squared. Here's today's challenge question. Notice it says at the bottom, has John got enough money to buy all the paint he needs? You must show how you get your answer. Answering yes or no alone will score you absolutely 0. You have to show some working out. I'm going to give you a hint now, so if you don't want that hint, pause it and give it a go. Here's my hint. Find the area. We're going to divide that area by 2 because each litre of paint covers an area of 2. Divided by 2, it will tell you how many litres you need. Each tin has got 5 litres, so then we need to divide by 5. We might need to manipulate that number though before we multiply it by 16.99. Once you've done, pop your answers in the comments below, compare it with other people's, have a bit of discussion if you disagree. Let's get some proper revision going. Join me tomorrow for another question. And remember, a maths question a day, a grades at bay. Bye for now.